Now, this man, this Udayan Go, I won't say, I won't call him a politician. Rather, he is a gunda of Kuch Bihar, and he unleashed severe atrocities over the BJP workers when he was in the power. Now the people, they are annoyed with him, and that's why they are reacting. I would like to just request the people to keep calm, keep faith on the administration and law and judiciary. You know, it is the internal matter of TMC. The party has been bifurcated into two groups, and the maximum MLAs are with the Ritobroto Chakraborty, I think. What is his surname? I have forgotten. So Rito with the Ritobroto. So I feel that it is a dispute between their party. We are nowhere to comment on it. Whatever the things that will be, governed by the rules of regulation of the assembly, and the honorable speaker will already given as a verdict.
So West Bengal government replaces the Mamata Banerjee security. The security system has been reduced.
Every person's security is always remain under review. So it is a totally administrative decision. I can't say anything regarding that. Only the government official would be able to say anything regarding this.
The government, Kalyan Banerjee said the West Bengal government is taking this action only to do vendetta politics.
The TMC is doing politics, rather I should say, because it's everybody's security threat generally gets reviewed under the law. So it is the normal procedure of the administration. So as I am not a part of administration of this state, I can't say anything regarding this.
Sir, what about this Udayan Guho? He has been thrown eggs and...
Now, this man, this Udayan Go, I won't say, I won't call him a politician. Rather, he is a gunda of Kuch Bihar, and he unleashed severe atrocities over the BJP workers when he was in the power. Now the people, they are annoyed with him, and that's why they are reacting. I would like to just request the people to keep calm, keep faith on the administration and law and judiciary.
Vidhannagar police questioned Arup Vishwas just today regarding this Messi.
Now, the Messi mishap happened in this city, and already the organizers has written one letter, and in that letter they have cleared it that the Messi's security was compromised, and it was not the organizer, rather the minister himself. He was involved in the breach of this security.
So lastly, how you are going to celebrate this West Bengal Day and the International Yoga Day?
Whole West Bengal will celebrate the creation of this land by our ancestor Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. Otherwise, I would have been, or maybe Mamata Banerjee would have been a councillor in maybe in Andaman or maybe somewhere else. We are here, I am a MP, Mamata Banerjee was the Chief Minister of the state, even Shubhendu Babu is the present Chief Minister, because the Shyama Prasad Mukherjee created this land for us. So we have the right, democratic right and all kind of right. So whole Bengal will celebrate.
Is there any wish to call Mamata Banerjee to join the Yoga Day?
She can perform yoga in her home, no problem in that. Anybody can perform yoga, and I would like to urge the people, especially the youth and the others, to participate in the yoga day. Even I will participate.
Thank you.